My biggest month of dividends yet. Welcome back to the Financial Beanstalk. My name is Nick, and this month I received the most in dividends that I have in any single month. A lot of other YouTubers make it sound a lot cooler than it is, but I'm going to join that train and say that I got 21 paychecks this month. It is a little disappointing because my pattern of switching between red and green every 2 months is officially over, with June being in the green by 0.34%. But hey, I'm not trying to time the market anyway, so I'll take a green month. Let's get into it with the stocks I bought. I will say that this month I rounded up a lot of the fractional shares that I have in Robinhood to a full share amount for my pending transfer over to Fidelity, so I'm getting much closer to that. So, on the 2nd, I bought $5 of Visa. On the 3rd, $10.82 of SCHD, $10 of VYM, $5.18 of Visa, $6.20 of Altria, $5 of Coca Cola, $10 of Johnson & Johnson, $5 of Republic Services, $8 of Realty Income. On the 7th, $6 of VYM. And then on the 16th, I'm apparently really bad at math because I bought $12.60 of Coca Cola trying to round up my fractional shares, but I calculated it wrong. So after that, I bought $21.74 of Coca Cola to actually round it up. Then $17.06 of VYM, $15 of Realty Income, $14.96 of Northwest Energy, $10 of Republic Services, $5 of Visa, and $20 of 3M. On the 18th, $24.17 of SPYD, $15 of Johnson & Johnson, $9.63 of Realty Income, $5 of Visa. And my bad math came into play again because I bought $23.93 of 3M trying to round it up, which wasn't quite there. So right after that, I bought 72 cents of 3M to hit that even share amount. Give me a break, I failed college in math my freshman year. Then I also bought $18.45 of Republic Services. Then on the 29th, $15 of Procter & Gamble and $5 of Johnson & Johnson. Heading over to Fidelity, because I did buy a little bit on there as well. Opened a couple new positions. So on the 3rd, I bought $12 of VNQ, which is Vanguard's Real Estate Investment Trust. On the 7th, I opened a position in SCHY, which is essentially the SCHD of international stocks, so I'm giving it a try. And I bought $4.99 of that. On the 8th, $4.95 of Apple. On the 11th, $4.98 of SCHY again. On the 17th, $4.98 of SCHD. On the 18th, $4.98 of SCHD. On the 23rd, $5 of SCHD. And then on the 29th, $4.99 of SCHY. So in total, I spent a whopping $351.33 on stocks this month. There were a lot of good buying opportunities, and again, I'm trying to round up all those fractional shares on Robinhood so I can transfer over to Fidelity. So on to the dividends I got. My 21 paychecks include 36 cents from Aflac on the 1st, on the 2nd, 18 cents from Visa, on the 4th, 31 cents from JEPI and 42 cents from Pfizer, on the 8th, $2.46 from Johnson & Johnson, on the 10th, $1.01 of Emerson Electric and 88 cents from Microsoft, on the 11th, 61 cents from Walgreens, on the 14th, $4.10 from 3M, on the 15th, 78 cents from Consolidated Edison, 64 cents from Main Street Capital, 36 cents from Stag Industrial, $1.77 from Realty Income, 46 cents from Home Depot, 95 cents from SPYD, $2.26 from VYM, $5.40 from SCHD, $1.45 of SPHD, and $1.71 from Northwest Energy. I definitely didn't write the date down, so a couple of those were at the end of the month. So over to Fidelity, because I did get paid over there as well. So I got 2 cents from my new position in SCHY, 73 cents from the shares that I have of SCHD in that, and 9 cents from VNQ. So in total, the moment you've all been waiting for, I got $26.95 in dividends this month.
Hello, I like money.
Now I know what you're thinking. Nick, now that you're rolling in the dividends, what are you going to do with all that money? Well, for now, it's just getting reinvested back into the portfolio so that next time I can get even more dividends. But if I wanted to spend it, it could cover about half of my internet or my water bill. It could cover a few subscription services, or if I really wanted to ball out, I could get a Big Mac bundle with a few dollars to spare. But it's your classic eat 1 marshmallow now or wait and eat 2 marshmallows. So I'm more on the 2 marshmallow train and reinvesting those dividends. Also, like I said, I opened 2 new positions in my Fidelity account. I invested in VNQ, which is Vanguard's Real Estate Investment Trust, because I really want to invest in real estate, but right now the housing market is kind of ridiculous, so I don't think I'll be investing in my own property anytime soon, but I'm getting some skin in the game by investing in this fund. The other one, SCHY, is very similar to SCHD from the way that they explain it, so it's a dividend income growth fund, but SCHY is focused on international stocks. It's still very new, so it's kind of up in the air how it will play out, but I'm willing to give it a go and add it to my portfolio. I'm about 90% of the way there from transferring my dividend portfolio from Robinhood over to Fidelity. Like I said, this month I rounded up a lot of my shares to a full share amount, which is also why I spent so much on stocks this month. I sold off a handful of positions that I was considering selling off anyway, so I would imagine by the end of the summer, so towards the end of August, I would be fully transferred over to Fidelity. And of course, I will make a video on how to do that process so that you can do that as well, because Robinhood just can't get out of controversy. And I'm also going to do a full portfolio reveal of the full share amounts that I have of each of the stocks in this account once I am transferred over. So be sure to subscribe for that. So we finished the month up 0.34%, which again is just barely in the green, but that equates to $23.02 in capital gains. So not only did I receive $26.95 in dividends, I also made $23 just on the value of my portfolio, which brings the total to $6,768.35. Oh, sorry, I just got distracted counting all of those gains and dividends again, because it's still kind of surprising to me that just slowly building up a portfolio is actually paying off. It is summer, so I am trying to stick to uploading 1 video a week, but it's kind of hard with all of the funtivities going on. But you should still YouTube mumbo jumbo that subscribe button, that like button, and that bell notification so you don't miss any future videos. I truly appreciate you watching, and let's continue to grow this Beanstalk. The most important thing that happened this month was I switched my office around, so now I actually have a sturdy table in front of me instead of that stupid little foldable table that squeaks all the time. I'm glad I never have to deal with that.